Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're an Amazon seller looking to stand out from the competition, creating a compelling brand story in Amazon Seller Central is a must. Let's dive right in. First, log in to your Amazon Seller Central account. Now, let me show you how the brand story actually looks on a product detail page. As you can see, the brand story appears just below the main product images. This section features a visually appealing layout with images, text, and your brand logo. Now, navigate to the top menu and click on Advertising from the drop-down. Select A+ Content Manager. This is where you'll find all the tools needed to create. Next, click on Create A+ Content and then select Create a Brand Story here. First, you'll need to give your brand story template a name of your choice. Next, upload an image to the module, ensuring you have separate designs optimized for both mobile and desktop versions. For now, I'll use the same image for both the mobile and desktop versions, and remember, don't forget about SEO. Make sure to incorporate relevant keywords naturally within your brand story to boost your visibility in Amazon's search results. Next, select the module of your choice and set a background image for each module you add to your brand story. Repeat the same process to add another module and set a background image for it. For now, I'll be adding only 2 modules in addition to the main image. Now, let's move on to applying ASINs to this brand story. Simply paste the ASIN into the search bar and click on Apply Content if you see an override option. It means this ASIN already has an existing brand story. Go ahead and click Override to replace it with the new one. Once that's done, proceed to the review step. Double-check for typos and ensure that your images and text are aligned with your brand's message. When you're satisfied, hit the Submit for Approval button. Amazon will review your content. Once approved, your brand story will be live on your product detail pages, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel.